Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does clear cache mean on TikTok. So, let's get started. When you clear cache on TikTok, you're deleting all of the temporary files and data that the app has stored on your device. This includes things like your watch history, profile information, and videos that you've recently watched. To clear cache on TikTok, follow these steps. Open the TikTok app on your mobile. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy option in the bottom menu. Then, scroll down until you find Free Up Space option, tap on it. Here, tap on Clear Cache button. You have deleted all the temporary files and data stored on your mobile. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.